Hello, welcome guys and girls. So you all are my students with my private coaching, and these are pre-recorded videos to make things simple to understand. At first, we will talk about some basics and overview of our method. Then we will go to the on-screen live module videos. So the first video of our private coaching, and the title of this video is what is affiliate marketing and what we will do. So what is affiliate marketing basically, right? And this is simple, the simply promoting other products and getting commission from them, called affiliate marketing. And you should know that there are three big main niche in the industry. We called category, that niche means category for doing affiliation. Okay, the three big niche are health niche, which are maybe like weight loss, muscle building, breast enlargement. There are lots of health related issue. And then the wealth niche, and like business, loan, financing, investing, etc. Then the relationship niche, dating offers. So these are the three big main niche to do affiliate marketing. But we will do affiliation which fall into wealth niche category. More specifically, the biz opportunity niche. In this niche, people want to make money online, so we will promote that type of courses and online high ticket programs. By the way, you can promote physical products like in Amazon affiliate marketing, and also digital product affiliation. But I prefer to always promote digital products, always, as it pays a higher commission, like up to 75%, where Amazon pays just 4 to 5% commission. Cause digital products creation costs nothing, as the vendors or creators can give you up more commissions. But in case of physical products, the commissions range is always small. This is natural. And there are some big affiliate networks from where you can choose products to promote, like Clickbank. This is the Clickbank dashboard. You can sign up if you want to. I am not showing this. cj.com, that is commissionjunction.com. You can jvizu and order plus, you may know. This is order plus. You see lots of products. So every week there are lots of products launched on these networks, and you can promote these products. See, lots of products launch in Order Plus and jvizu every week, and you can promote. And 95% of products from Order Plus and jvizu teach how people can make money online. Like, I can give you an example. I am opening the sales page of these two products. See the sales page. The full-time teacher discovers part-time method that makes money while he is teaching classes. So these are make money products. And the second
Are
one
you
is
looking for
you are away from getting any link in hundreds of free buyers. So these are all are make money products. So this is very charming to promote. People like to buy this. Simply you can make reviews of the new products and rank on Google with websites or blogs or YouTube or other parasites like Medium, Steemit, and Trello, etc. You can rank on. So like I am giving example Instabot review. See, there are lots of people rank on Google for these products. On YouTube, Instabot reviews. As a medium, the medium is a parasite. They don't own the website, but you can post there and rank on Google and make sales. Medium, and there are lots of main website. So simply you can make reviews of the new products, obviously new products, and rank on Google with websites, blogs, etc. So if you are familiar and interested, if I am saying if, I am not recommending you to, because our private coaching is not with this. Okay, if you are familiar and interested to promote Warrior Plus and JVZoo launch jacking products, then you can do so. I have a PDF step by step training on how to do reviews and rank on Google to get sales. This PDF, I have a PDF, and you will see how to rank on Google and get traffic. And from Facebook there are lots of way to promote Warrior Plus products and JVZoo products. So this is the PDF. You will find the PDF download link below in the video and in the video description. Just download it. Okay, you will find the PDF download link. This is free for you, no problem. You will find the PDF link in the video description below in this of the video. But if you are familiar and interested to promote Warrior Plus and JVZoo launch jacking products, okay, so but our main motto is to promote, is not to promote sorry, our main motto is not to promote these shiny products who pays like $5, $20 commissions. These products pays you $5, $8, $9, $11 likes commissions. Okay, so we are not going to promote that. Our target is to promote high ticket affiliate products which pay up to $20,000 per sale. Okay, so this is this is the main module. So continue to the next video module to know more. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to download the free PDF link if you are interested to promote Warrior Plus and JVZoo link. There are two PDF will be appear in the below of this video. Just download it. One is ranking on Google and one is getting traffic from Facebook. So download this if you are interested to promote Warrior Plus products and JVZoo products. By the way, see you in the next video.